They're feeding the ducks.
I've never seen a duck. You see a white in the front there? I've never seen one like that.
Feeding the ducks with bread.
You want to feed them too, Natalie?
Here. Do it. Here goes. You want more bread.
Throw it.
Get one now. We get
Natalie,
one.
come here. There, I'll give you
The birds are trying to eat us. Here goes. Hi.
Nami sa park, mga moms. Tapos naidako nga lake. So, we decided to feed the ducks with bread.
Oh, I'm gonna give them some food too.
Actually, ducks and birds.
I'm gonna
Crows.
feed them too, mommy.
Crows, they are crows. Huh?
The tall ones. There you go.
Good job.
Oh, you got more guys. Look at